All right, the drink we're about to make is called Blighter Bob. Go ahead and fill up your mixing glass with ice. And measure out 1 ounce of light rum. There's 1. Follow that up with a ½ ounce of creme de cassis. And a ½ ounce of dark rum. And we'll give it about 1 ounce of orange juice. And a dash of bitters. And go ahead and shake it up. Just enough to get everything mixed together. Just a couple shakes. Don't want to get too crazy. And go ahead and dump it in. And top it off with ginger ale. All right. Go ahead and take your spoon, give it a little stir. Ginger ale mixed in. Add a straw. And bottoms up.